Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna and I'm a little bit spooky, and today we're creating this look. We're doing some kind of glowy, bronzy, lightweight complexion going on. Lots of glow, some coral cheeks, peachy lip, and a really pretty opalescent eye look that is very effortless, easy, nothing complex, just like one eyeshadow and a duochrome across the lid. I think it looks so pretty. Really fun for summertime. It's like effortless, breezy, but still kind of fun and special, and has something a little whimsical about it with the duochrome, but it's like a soft, pretty duochrome. I love it. Anyway, if you want to see how I got this look, spend some time with me, just go ahead and keep on watching. Before you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know some more looks you would like to see. I'm having so much fun doing these little summer looks. Yeah, so let me know any other types of looks that you're into. Drop them in the comments down below if you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever. And without further ado, let's go ahead and just get into this makeup look. Hey guys, I thought it'd be fun to do something with this one shade in this Danessa Myricks palette before I give it back to my friend, because I did borrow this from her to have for a little while. And anyway, there's one shade in here that I've just not gotten to really use and keep forgetting about. I was like, you know what, today's the day. We're going to use this shade. It is this one called Polaris. And this is actually like a cream formula that has this gorgeous kind of opalescent, all over the place kind of shift. Like it goes pink, it goes green, it goes gold. It's just gorgeous and stunning and fun. So I want to do something with that. But we're going to keep it real soft and pretty and kind of effortless at the same time. We'll see. And I just want to go for some nice glowy skin. So let's get started. I'm gonna start out with e.l.f. Halo Glow Filter. I don't know where my voice went, allergies. And we're gonna pop some of this on the face as my priming step. Too much up there. Should I put some of that down here? And I'm just gonna buff this out. I've already got my brows on and eyes primed. So yeah, I think I'll just do face first because I'm not anticipating any fallout or anything crazy. As I said, chill vibes. I know it's not like festival season anymore, but kind of festival vibes. I never could. Look, even when I was young, like teenager, early 20s, I was not a festival girl. Nothing ever sounded good to me about going to a hot field or desert or whatever and fighting crowds. Even in my youth, I didn't like doing that kind of stuff. Okay. And I'm going to put a little bit of e.l.f. liquid poreless putty primer in the center of the face, in the kind of pore area. Just a little bit. So how has the weather been in your area? Sounds like everywhere is having tornadoes and crazy weather. There was a water spout tornado, or water funnel tornado, whatever, in my husband's hometown today. Ooh, it was creepy looking. We've gotten fairly lucky so far this year, just a lot of rain and wind, but nothing scary. My little cousin's over in Texas, close to where a lot of that was going on, so I was kind of worried about him. All right, foundation. We're going to do Skin Silk Luminous Serum Foundation from Revolution, or Makeup Revolution, whatever their name is now. Have they like put out like an official statement saying if they've changed their name, or like I just don't know. We'll use the same brush. Buff this into the skin. I like the fragrance of this foundation. Like, it is slightly fragranced, but it's very nice. But I'm kind of doing a little bit more of a lighter coverage moments. I don't want the skin to be fussy looking. You know, not intentional sculpting or anything like that. Just effortlessly nice and bronzed and, you know, glowy. I want to go glowy. I feel like glowy is the way to go today. When do I not want glowy skin? Let's be real. I just think it looks so nice. Nice and even, pretty, glowy skin. I cannot get over how beautiful this foundation really is. It is just so pretty. So very pretty. Okay, and next step, I'm going to do some cream bronzer. And I'm going to use my Milani Hey Honey bronzer. So just really like this one a lot. It's just such a nice cream bronzer. And we'll just warm the skin up with this. And doing that little set the neck trick. And whatever's left will come over here. Warm up the forehead and all around where the sun would hit, around the nose. And we'll go with the concealer to sculpt the nose out afterwards. So don't be scared of the little tan nose for a moment. That doesn't match too well. Don't worry. Now I'm taking the smaller side of this dual complexion brush from e.l.f. And yes, my eyebrows are still insane. Our appointment, me and my friend Claire, we're gonna go get our brows laminated and waxed and tinted and all the things done. And they called the other day and had to reschedule because there was a family emergency, our brow girl. And so we get a few extra days of letting everything go crazy and grow out. Like, we're getting our money's worth. I'm letting everything grow, and they can give me a whole new brow shape and just see what you can do. Or, well, I haven't had my brows waxed since I was like 14, and definitely haven't had anything done to them that I haven't done myself since then, so I'm excited. Like, I realize brows will grow back. It's fine. It's not that big a deal, so I'm excited. Let's around the lips. And for a little cream blush, we're going to use this one from Milani. This is Coral Crush because it's a wonderfully coral shade. Perfect for summer. It's not too dissimilar from the Danessa Myricks blush that I like so much, the Sunset Golden Hour. It's not too dissimilar from it. It's just a little bit pinkier. But it gives that same kind of sunburnt look on me. A little bit around here. Whoops, there's too much. Blend that out. Even that out. I need to bring a little bit there and kind of all around. And we take my foundation brush and just tap over. And now I'm doing a little concealer. I'm going to use my Kosas concealer just because it's one I have out. And give this a little buff. Just pat that out, blend it in, and then take a little small brush to do right down the nose here, here, back in with the foundation brush just to make sure everything is merging together. I'm going to set it down with a bit of powder. I'm going to use my IRL powder from Revolution. I'm just going to use the pressed side. So I've used the loose side a lot, and my pressed side is like so much. I need to kind of make a little dent in that. Just going to tap that in with a puff. And then set the rest of the face with a brush here. I'm using a very light amount, just enough to lock things in, but not to get like super matte looking. Okay, I'm gonna jump to my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit, just mostly for the bronzer and highlight in this. And I'm gonna use the bronzer to bring some warmth into the skin, some more warmth into the skin. And this is a really nice kind of glowy type bronze. Very warm, good for summer. On the lids, like right here on the outer part. I'm blending it up and out. I'm gonna do a little bit of the highlighter from in here. It's just a champagne highlighter. It's really something you can find from any brand. It's not anything particularly special. So I'm just gonna, there's a little bit of that right here. A little bit coming up from the brow on the forehead. And for a little powder blush, I'm going to use Luminoso from Milani because it's pretty. And it's just a classic good blush. And also more glow. Okay. Now let's go to the eyes. A little bit of definition, just a little bit more into the socket line, but not much. I'm just going to jump to 1111 from ColourPop. Any palette that has a nice kind of mid-tone brown like this in it will be fine. I think that's what I'm going to use. Just a very light dusting of it, just to build up a little more definition right there in the outer corner, because that suits my eye shape. You don't have to even do that part. Just put a little bit right here. Just kind of a nice neutral, slightly warm brown, just to bring a little bit of lift and definition there through the outer part of the socket. Bring a little bit of this out right here. And I'm actually going to run that along the lower lash line as well on a small brush. You could definitely just use your bronzer too if you wanted to. I just want a little bit more depth than what my bronzer can offer. Alright, let's jump to the Danessa Myricks palette for the fun shade. These are just fun accent shades, like to spice up a look. That's what's so fun about these little Lightworks palettes from Danessa. They're expensive. They are so expensive. But they are really fun to have if you're somebody who likes a pop of dual chrome and color. They're fun just to kind of like have to throw in, throw on the lid or something with like a really neutral look. Great companion palettes to like her groundwork palettes. Okay, so I'm gonna take my finger. We're gonna go into Polaris, which looks like that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna take it on my finger because this is like a cream. I believe it was described as a gel. I'm just gonna pat that onto the lid, and it's gonna give kind of a wet, glossy look. Just what I think is gonna be fun about it. Look at that. Like just tapping that onto the lid like that is so pretty. What a beautiful glow. Definitely buildable. I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and just kind of blur it a little bit. Kind of smooth it out. That's so fun. That's so fun. And it's just like so multi-dimensional. Like it's green, but it's gold, and it's like pink. Wow. What a unique, fun product this is. And just doing this, it just kind of diffuses up. No harsh lines. Cool. And there's our little pop of color and pop of fun. It's so nice. Okay, I'm actually gonna go back to 1111 for just a little bit of definition from the lash line. I'm gonna take this second to darkest brown, just a very plain Jane neutral brown right there. And we're gonna take that on liner brush and just tap a little bit right at the lash line. just gives it a little bit of lift. That my eyes benefit from. Okay, I'm gonna grab a brown liner and just go into the tight line with that. And on the inner corner, I'm just gonna take my face highlight and just put a little bit of that right on the inner part. It's just a champagne color. All right, let's do a little mascara. I'm gonna use Benefit Fan Fest. I'm going to touch up my brows and sort my hair out, and we'll be right back. I put a little bit more shimmer, kind of come up a little bit higher, and put on some mascara. And touch up brows, filled in my little freckles. So, lips. I'm going to use a little bit of MAC Cork. Of course we're using MAC Cork. What other lip liner are we going to use? I have a thing. And for lipstick, I'm going to go with this one from Colored Rain. This is one of their liquid lipsticks, and this is the shade Beautiful, which is a really pretty peach. A little vibrant. I thought it'd be pretty with this. Let that dry for just a second. Oh, and I also put on some setting spray. We're going to top that with the Bobbi Brown Lip Oil, Crushed Oil Infused Gloss in the shade Free Spirit. Okay, and here's our look all complete. Ah, it's so pretty. The shimmer, the shine, the sparkle, the dual chromaticness. Opal looking eyes. I love it. I love it. Pairing it with a peach lip and a really warm, kind of bronzy, as bronzy as I can get skin with a little bit of that sunburnt look. Coral goodness going on. It's so fun for summer. This is such a cute going out kind of date night look for summer. I think it's just, there's a little bit of whimsy to it, but it's also really pretty and kind of effortless and easy at the same time. And the skin is just kind of perfected, but still looks like skin. My kind of look. So yeah, thank you for hanging out with me today and creating this look and just having some makeup playtime, because I just really want to do something with that sparkly shade because it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and stay spooky. Bye now.